Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my July plan with me, and first I'm going to just flip through the month of June with you guys. And once again, I didn't really use it, which is very sad, but I feel like this spread really wasn't from the heart, which means I don't want to even touch it. So I'm just flipping through right here, just going through some things that I actually did write in my journal for the month. So the theme for this month gave me a lot of problems. I didn't really know what to do, and then I realized that it is my 3-year anniversary actually today on the 27th of me studying abroad in Paris for 2 months. So I decided to commemorate that by making the month of July Paris themed. And so my cover page just says July, and I'm just drawing out some macarons right now. I attempted to paint with watercolors this bowl of macarons. I can insert a picture here. I took that when I visited La Vendée, and I had a macaron ice cream bowl. It was the slowest service of my life, which I said in my caption, but it was absolutely amazing. I was dreaming about visiting La Vendée for years and years and years. I love Paris. I have an Eiffel Tower tattoo on my wrist. I got it for my 18th birthday, so Paris means a lot to me. And I also speak French, if you guys didn't know that. But yeah, and also, if you guys ever want me to talk about my experience studying abroad, the program I went with, etc., let me know. I would love to tell you guys about it. I'm just kind of obsessed with traveling, like my travels abroad and everything. But I haven't gone abroad since. It's been 3 years, so I'm dying to go again. So this page is my July overview, and I'm going to stick to the pastel theme of the macarons that I had on my cover page. So I'm going to be using blue, purple, pink, and I'm also going to be adding in some green and gray as I go along. So this little stripe pattern I'm doing right now is typically seen in like a navy blue in like Parisian kind of patterns, but I'm doing the pastel theme, so I'm doing it with blue. And so now in the little corner right here, I am making a little impression of the Arc de Triomphe, and I've only been to it once. Well, I've only taken pictures of it once when I was in Paris studying abroad, but I was on the Champs-Élysées many times. I lived actually a minute away by metro, and it was just like a 15-minute walk, but I only actually saw it once. And to be honest, even though I have a tattoo of the Eiffel Tower on my wrist, I actually only went to the Eiffel Tower like 3 times, I think, and I have like 2 pictures of it, which is so strange because that was my like favorite part. And they tell you that it's not as big in real life. Trust me, it looks so tiny compared to everything around it because it's like the only large structure in the area, so it looks very strange. I don't know how to describe it, but even if you're walking through the streets and you see the Eiffel Tower peeking up above any of the buildings, it just doesn't look as tall as you would think it would be. But nonetheless, it was magnificent, and I don't ever regret seeing it. It is the most amazing thing of my travels in Paris. And I never got to see it sparkle at night, which I kind of regret, so I'll have to go back and see it sparkle at night. So speaking of the Eiffel Tower, I'm doing the same style with my tombos as before. Can't remember the style. But this is my Eiffel Tower page. Just doing a plain, simple Eiffel Tower on the left and doing my calendar here for the month of July. And I always hate using rulers because I always mess up or something. But my lines right now are just so squiggly, it's bothering me. So I really wanted to add green into this page since I hadn't used it yet, and so I put it in the title for July 2018. And now to carry on my Eiffel Tower theme, this picture right here on the bottom that I'm creating with green, of course, is actually modeled after an image that I took when I first visited the Eiffel Tower for the very first time once I landed in Paris. It's actually right behind the Eiffel Tower, I think. I don't honestly really know where I was because it was my first day in Paris, but I can insert the original picture here that you can see. But yeah, it was just these rows and rows and rows of trees with the beautiful buildings behind it, and it was like a park. I don't know what it was, but it was gorgeous, and I had to recreate it in this perfect space for it in my bullet journal. So this page that I'm working on right now in the pastel purple or lavender color is my expenses page. And then instead of an outfit tracker, I'm doing a YouTube planning page. And I do use Trello to plan all my ideas, but say I'm out or something at work and I have an idea or I figure out how to plan something correctly, I can just jot it down on my YouTube planning page. So now I am drawing out another image from my Instagram that I took when I was abroad in Paris. This was in the middle of Notre Dame. You can climb up the stairs to that platform in between the two towers, and then you can climb up again to the very top of the towers, which I did not do because I thought I was going to pass out. I have never been in so many spiral staircases in my life, and I realized that I am petrified of them and I hate them because they make me super dizzy. So this is actually a recreation of an image that I took on that first platform of Notre Dame, and I'm just recreating it like the few other images in my bullet journal. To the first week of July. I'm so excited. I love months that start on a Sunday because then just everything else just flows nicely for the rest of the month. Like in my bullet journal, just like planning everything and spacing everything out, if you guys know what I mean. But I'm kind of following one of the weekly setups that I see from her username used to be Bujo Blossoms on Instagram, but it has since changed. But if you search Bujo_Blossoms, she has linked her new account in the profile, so you can find all of her awesome spreads. I love how organized she is, and I love structured weekly setups, so I'm going to try that again, see if I actually use it. And I'm still going with the pink theme, well, the pastel theme, but for the first week I'm going to do pink, and you can see why when I do my little doodle in the top right hand corner. This is actually another image from my Instagram that I took when I was in Paris. I actually stayed with a host family, and this was my view from my bed every morning. I was against a wall, but next to my wall was this French double door. Actually, they weren't French doors, but this double door setup, and I had a little balcony. However, I faced buildings across from me, so I couldn't see anything. I was on the first floor, which is actually the second floor to American people. But yeah, that was my view, and I just love that picture because I think it's the quintessential image of a Parisian morning. I don't know, just seeing one of those doors that open up onto a balcony in the pink and the cream, and yeah, I think you guys understand what I mean. So yeah, that was my July 2018 bullet journal spread. I hope you guys enjoyed the theme this month of my little Paris reminiscing and a few of my stories that I had. Be sure to check out my social media and my blog. I just switched over to WordPress recently. You can find me in all the links below and on the screen. Be sure to give a big thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a great month of July, and happy planning to everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!